Hello and welcome to Ecoholics. In this video, we will discuss about Indian Economic Service examination. Now, what are the tricks and strategy or maybe tips we can say that will require to qualify the examination? Now, dates are there. I hope you have filled the form as well. So, 24th, 25th and 26th June is the examination date. So we'll see what kind of strategy you can follow since almost last 3 months are there, and what kind of things that you can do in order to qualify the examination, especially in the last minute. So now Indian Economic Service exam, I hope you are aware about the pattern. This is a 3-day exam. So IES examination. First of all, it's a physically tiring exam. Okay. So physically tiring exam, what I can do is for, especially in the answer writing. So answer writing will be a biggest challenge because over the course of 3 days, okay, you have to write 6 papers. That is of 3 hours each. It means 6 hours for 3 days you have to write continuously. So it's a physically tiring examination. Mentally, obviously high, but physically also. Okay, so for answer writing, this is very vital. Another thing is you have to work on your thought process. Thought process. Why? Because when you think in the examination hall, under examination hall, there's a huge pressure. Huge pressure of what? Huge pressure of the questions, that environment that you'll get. So generally, thought doesn't come that frequently if you compare it with like when you are sitting at home. Thought process is very vital because whenever you get a thought about answer writing, like for example, if you get a question, now under this question, when you think, there will be a flood of thought process. So a lot of thoughts will come, but they all are haphazard. It means they will come at random. What you have to do is you have to arrange it very quickly. So that is why 2 things are very important, especially that you have to start doing right now is answer writing practice and the thought process. So physically and mentally. So thought process is not only mentally, but it's physically tiring as well. So what you have to do, these 2 things very, very important, and you need to work upon it from right now. So it means almost 90 days left. And those 90 days, what you can do is you can do revision as well as answer writing. Now the question arises, how to do that? Now whenever in a day you are studying, so suppose you are reading something, after reading you are doing answer writing, writing, and at night when you go to bed, thinking is very important. So this is another point that I am giving. In a day you are reading, in the evening you are writing, and at night you have to think. Make this a habit, and that will give you very good results in the examination hall. So the strategy wise, reading, writing and thinking. The third point that you have to add. For example, in a day you are reading. So suppose 9 AM you start studying. So 9 AM to 3 PM. You read, take lunch break, take rest. From 5 PM to 8 PM, you do writing, then take dinner, etc. And 10 PM, you start thinking. So 12 AM, you can say this is a thinking point. So reading, writing and thinking. Then you go to sleep at 1, wake up at 7, read newspaper and start reading your schedule of normal course textbook. Okay, so this is how you have to do. If you have any doubt, you can always comment in the comment section. You can contact on the WhatsApp number given in the description as well as on the screen. So that you have to do in order to understand the pattern of the exam. If you are feeling low, we are here for you. We have experts, subject experts, faculty, counselors. They will help you to gain that mental strength so that you can qualify the exam. So this is a very good strategy that worked because since past many years we have been given the toppers to this examination, AIR 1, AIR 2, AIR 3. Last year, 12 out of 15 selections were from Ecoholics. So we understand that it's not about the knowledge of the economics, it's about the mental strength as well. So for that, we are here for you. And last 90 days are very important, as I have seen in the last few years. Students do struggle. They have been reading, writing very well, but in the last 90 days, last 60 days, last 30 days, they struggle in consolidating the thought process. Next is very important, as I told you, content and context. This I always say. So please understand that these two things are important for the exam. UPSC is all about quality content. In the quality content, we can say content, for example, I will write about that liberalization, privatization and globalization that we have initiated in the year 1991. Okay, that is content. So you can write the points in favor of this, points against this, points against economic crisis. This is all content. But when you write, can you compare COVID-19 economic crisis with economic crisis of 1990? Then the context thing will come. What's the meaning of context here? It means you have to compare two different time period. So always remember that whenever they will ask the question, think from both perspective, content as well as context. It's a time involvement, okay? Now, whenever you talk about content in the context, there are two things UPSC always ask: why and how. So whenever you see anything in the newspaper, in the books or anything, you ask these two questions. If you are able to answer these two questions, you will be able to answer each and every question of UPSC. India is struggling with low economic growth. The answer to the question, why? Write in the comment section. How India can improve from this low level equilibrium in the Indian economy. So these are the two things UPSC always ask. Why? The reason behind it. How we can improve it. Okay. Why you are preparing for IAS? How you are preparing for your IAS? That will give you. I hope you understand. Still not. I am here. Now consolidation. This is very vital. Okay. This, whatever I am telling you, you can easily connect. Listen very carefully. Now when you start UPSC preparation, day one, you are very excited. You'll download the syllabus, see the question papers, you start reading books. You're very excited. Day 50, you will understand that things are going according to your plan. But as you reach day 100, you will realize that things are getting out of control because syllabus is ever expanding. So if I make a map of your brain, okay, suppose this is you start your journey like this, and the syllabus, the concepts are like ever expanding. You can think day 1, day 50, day 100, and it's ever expanding. You'll be thinking that whatever I was reading here, I was not able to revise here. Then whatever I was reading here, I'm not able to recall. These are the things. Now, what's the meaning of the consolidation? Consolidation means you have to complete the path like this, taking control of the syllabus. Now, how you can do this? The key is revision. Revision is the key. Reading again and again. Okay. When you read for the first time, you will realize that when you read the second time, it's totally different. Like you watch movie. When you watch a movie for the first time, everything is new. But when you watch it the second time, you will point out minute details from that movie. Do it third time, fourth time. And later on, you will realize that everything is predictable. I remember each and every character as well as the story, the chronology. So this is the best time to do consolidation. And you will again ask, sir, how? How? The simple answer is revision. So do not read new things. Start reducing your time to read new things and start devoting more time to revision. Okay, so this is very vital in order to cover your syllabus till the examination time. Now, completion of syllabus. A lot of students ask me, sir, my syllabus complete nahi hua. I'm not able to complete my syllabus. Answer to the question is, syllabus of UPSC will never complete. Even if you ask the question from AIR 1, AIR 2 or any selected candidates, even the day before the examination, they are not feeling confident that their syllabus is completed or not. But whatever they have read it carefully so that they can express or reproduce the same in the examination hall. We'll come up with more session about Indian Economic Service on Ecoholics channel, where we will discuss what to do in the examination hall. That I'll tell you 1 month before the exam. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Talking to the point again that AIR 1, AIR 2 or any selected candidates you will ask, their syllabus has never been completed. It's all about the coverage. So what you will say from now, not the completion of the syllabus, but about the coverage. Coverage is very important. Horizontal distribution of the syllabus. If you have completed the syllabus, read it once or went through once, you'll be able to devote your particular time in the examination. Because if you are good in microeconomics, you're good in macroeconomics, but what about other subjects? You'll not get all the questions from macro. There will be equal distribution according to their weightage in the examination. So what you have to do, you have to allocate your time. Like in NCERT we read, what is economics? Allocation of scarce resources to satisfy unlimited human wants. So this is the allocation of resources. Your time is a resource, allocating to reading micro, macro, growth, etc. Okay. So on the same lines, coverage is very vital. Now where we can help. This is very important. We are providing full guidance. If you want to avail, you can contact on the numbers given in the description. So what we provide is live classes, recorded classes. So you'll get all the live classes in the form of record. There's no limit. You can watch unlimited times these videos. Hard copy study material. Because if you total the number of pages of the prescribed books for this syllabus, it will cross 12,000 pages. Reading 12,000 pages and retaining and then reproducing is a daunting task. It will take time. So what we provide is the hard copy crisp material that will help you to qualify the exam. Weekly test. Now you're reading, but you're not evaluating yourself. Weekly test will help you in answer writing. You'll get the feedback. In that feedback, there are a few things written. You can read those, improve that. Then after reading those feedbacks from the experts, subject expert, faculties, you'll get model answer as well. Like what to write, model answer, the perfect answer that UPSC demands, the kind of facts they need, the kind of the concept, the keywords, these are important. Now evaluated copies you'll get before the next test. So whatever mistakes you have committed in this test, you can rectify in the next test because you'll get the evaluated copies, the suggestions, the model answer, everything. You can start a new test with a fresh. Okay. Current affairs dedicated to IAS exam only. Here you will get all the news related to economy. So you read the newspaper, only the editorial section to gain the understanding. I'm not saying these current affairs are the replacement of your newspaper. Newspaper will give you conceptual clarity, only the editorial section related to economics. But these current affairs will give you information. And information is also the key because in answer writing you have to provide various kind of we can say information, the facts, figures about the schemes. So that you will get here summarized way. If you have any doubt, you can directly connect with the subject expert, faculties on phone. So there are unlimited doubt resolution facility. You can resolve your doubt via live classes. You can resolve your doubt via WhatsApp, via email, one-to-one call, or any other form whichever is required. At last, mentorship session. As I told you that this examination is not about economics knowledge. It's not about physically fit. You are writing the 3 hours like continuously for 3 days. It's about mental challenge as well. The thought process you need, the structure you need, the time management you need. And that mentorship is very vital. So I hope you like this video. What you need, if you have any query related to this, you can contact on our number. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up so that we can continue this work to help you till the examination is in June. And don't forget to subscribe Ecoholics to get the update about the new videos that we have. Thank you so much and have a nice day.